Craving for fried rice? Why not whip some up at home with these simple ingredients? In a medium to large skillet placed over high heat, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and heat well. Add 2 tablespoons scallion bottom and stir well. Add 1 cup frozen and thawed mixed vegetable. Give that a good toss. Go ahead and pour in 4 cups of cooked and cool white rice and stir well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and toss until rice is well coated in the soy sauce. Add 1½ teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of thinly sliced scallion tops. Toss well and remove from heat immediately. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching.